So we're just at the entrance to a new listing for spring 2018, which is apartment Princessa, and this is very conveniently located with gated entrances, two of those in fact. You've got a main foyer through there. This is a 3-bed apartment, okay? It's on the ground level. There's double parking, there's storage, there's a communal pool between only 10 units, which is very, very rare. Okay, now this is a separate kitchen, which is good size, all fully equipped, all electrical goods staying in place, which leads out on through to a lounge diner. So you've got a good amount of light coming through, internet, TV is all obviously plumbed in, and this leads out onto a covered terrace. Nice archway there. This is kind of one of the signature features of this development. That's off the master bedroom. Okay, so you've got patio doors leading out onto this covered terrace, and then that leads out onto a very nice communal pool. I can't stress how much, you know, this development. There's only 5 units are actually lived in, inhabited, but yeah, there is a 8x4 internal pool with the Roman steps. Some very nice gardens which are all kind of established and looked after within the communal tax. And then here you get a better idea of the actual development itself. So each of the 10 units have got nice covered terraces with the arches, some southwesterly views. There's also a garage. I'll just show you down these steps here. Okay, so this is the car entrance here. Again, automatic gates, there's 2. So that's the sliding gate there. And then into the garage, which is also the ground floor of the building, where there's 2 car spaces plus a storeroom. Okay, there's extras like CO2 alarms, there's watering fire alarms, there is extra water reserve tanks and what have you, 20,000 litres. So the development is kind of quite exclusive, and this is one of the first units really to come on for resale. So yeah, a good amount of terrace around the pool. Again, you can have the sun all day long on here. And again, that's all part of the communal fees. The pool and the gardens are all maintained. Okay, so let's go back inside. Take a quick look at the 3 bedrooms. So you've got ducted air conditioning. That's inverter unit, hot and cold. There's the control unit. So bedroom number 1. They've all got fitted wardrobes with sliding doors, saves on space, and then again your ducted air conditioning, which is very useful. You don't have the units standing out. This is bedroom number 2. So this is the only one without a view basically, but it's obviously it's got light off the foyer there. Again, fitted wardrobe. Then the general bathroom. It's all very clean, very tidy. There's actually nothing to really do this property. Okay, and then into the master bedroom, which has got that patio door there and the view onto the pool and the covered terrace. Good sized double bed, wardrobe, built-in dressing table there. And then an ensuite shower room. Again, neutral colours, nice and light. Okay, so if you'd like further information on this new listing, very unique, 3 bedrooms, 2 parking spaces, secure garage, communal pool and covered terrace. all for the price of just under 160,000 euros. So the market price is 159,950. Contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed view the website villasolutions.net.